May 22nd, 2025, Thursday Gospel, St. John chapter 15 verses 9 to 11. Our message for today, joy in love. In verse 11, these things I have spoken to you, that my joy may remain in you, and that your joy may be full. Joy in love. First, to love Jesus most. Abide in Jesus' love. Verse 9. Second, to love one another. Jesus' commandment. Verse 10a. And third, to love the family of God. Father's commandment. Verse 10b. There is no greater joy in love with Jesus. Be always in love with Jesus. God bless us all. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow, and share if you like and blessed by this video, the Daily Gospel. Thanks for watching. Godspeed.